Hello students, today we'll discuss about electricity, that is the topic of 10th class physics. Okay, electricity में हम अभी शुरू करें topic, remaining topics. Now let's start here. Student, we are on the topic of resistance. First of all, what is resistance? Resistance is the property of conductor by which it opposes the flow of current, that is called resistance. Now how they are connected? First method is resistors connect in series. Okay, तो किस टाइप से जुड़ते हैं ये? When two or more two resistors are said to be connected in series if they are connected one after the other, like here diagram, one after the other. Okay, such that same current flows through it, same current flows through it. Okay, and through resistance when same potential difference is applied. Now here diagram, R1 R2 R3 are 2 3 resistance, V1 V2 V3 potential difference and same current flowing in it. Like here we say that, मान लो कि हमारे पास कोई वाटर पाइप है, जैसे ये आपकी वाटर पाइप है, इसके आगे हम और टुकड़े लगा दें ऐसे आपके, तो इसमें जो प्रेशर है दैट विल बी सेम, तो इसमें जो आपका करंट है दैट विल बी सेम. Okay, but potential difference different. Let I be the current, V be the potential difference, and V1 V2 V3 be the potential difference across resistance R1 R2 R3. Means R1 में potential difference that is V1, R2 में V2, and in R3 that is V3. Now potential difference across AD, here AD, here that is A, that is total potential difference, that is V1 plus V2 plus V3, that is like here. And now according to Ohm's law, in this V1 is equal to IR1, R1 resistance, I current with the potential difference across resistance R1, V2 is equal to IL2 and V3 is equal to IL3. Now that is the equation 1. Now in the next page, equation 1 becomes V is equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus I3, that is V1 V2 V3. I common here, R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now again Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, put here IR, means I is cancelled from this term, and R remaining, R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now important points about these resistance in series, means quick memory point. Net resistance of the combination is equal to sum of the resistance of individual conductors, means उसका total होगा individual, हर एक का जो होगा. Okay, current flowing each conductor is same. Okay, current same. Now disadvantage, नुकसान क्या है इसके? Suppose all electric appliances like bulbs, electric tubes are connected in circuit. If any one of them fuses, मीन्स अगर आप घर के सभी इंस्ट्रूमेंट सीरीज में कनेक्टेड है, उनमें से एक भी इंस्ट्रूमेंट आपका मतलब कोई वर्किंग उसकी ऑफ हो जाए, फेल हो जाए, ख़राब हो जाए, डिफेक्ट आ जाए, देन तो सभी उससे इफेक्टिव होंगे, सभी काम करना बंद कर देंगे आपका. ओके, जैसे आपकी दिवाली की डेकोरेशन लड़ी होती है, उनमें से अगर आपका एक बल्ब फ्यूज़ हो जाए तो उसमें सभी काम करना बंद कर देते हैं. ओके, दैट इज़ द disadvantage of resistance in series. Now next topic here. Now parallel combination of resistors, as three lines are parallel in math like this. Okay, two or more resistors are said to be connected parallel if one of each resistors is connected at other common point. Means कि एक का जो end point है means तीनों common होंगे वायर. Okay, end point को common होगा. Potential difference across each resistor is equal to applied potential difference. Okay, now next, here is the diagram of resistors in parallel. You see R1 R2 R3 are resistors, I1 I2 I3 is the current, and V is the potential, like here. Now how we memorize this? Means that is a water pipe. If you connected three pipes, then the pressure on this pipe is equally distributed on this. तो आपका जो करंट है like this वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाए here in I1, in I2 and in I3. Okay, let V be the potential difference across AB, here AB potential difference, The current I from this cell divides into three parts: I1, I2, I3. I1 flows in resistance R1, I2 R2 में है और I3 करंट जो आपका R3 में. Now total current here I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Now according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR and I is equal to V by R here. I is equal to V by R1, I1, and I2 is equal to V2 by V by R2 here, V2, and I3 is equal to V by R3 here. Now equation 1 becomes that equation. I is equal to V by R1, V by R2, V by R3, and we can take common here, that is V 1 by R1, 1 by R2, 1 by R3. Now put again V is equal to IR and I is equal to V by R here. Okay. Now V by R means V cancel from both sides. 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by, means इसका जो total resistance, that is the reciprocal of each resistance in parallel combination. Next. Now here for quick memory some points. Different amount of current flows through different resistance. उनमें सेम था सीरीज में बट इसमें डिफरेंट है. नाउ एडवांटेज, मान लो जैसे घर की फिटिंग अपनी वो पैरेलल में जुड़ी है, अगर उनमें से एक काम करना बंद डिफेक्ट हो जाए तो बाकी पर उसका कोई इफेक्ट नहीं. दैट इज मेन एडवांटेज ऑफ पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन. इफ एनी वन ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिक अप्लायंसेस और devices connected in parallel does not work, then the working of other devices will not be affected. Okay students, that's the topic of today. Next lecture we will complete this lesson. Okay, till then stay with us. Thanks.